Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to upload video to your YouTube channel on YT Studio. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the YT Studio. So when you will open the YT Studio, you can see plus icon. So click on the plus options. So after this it will show your galleries. So select the video which you want to upload. So after selecting the video, so here you can see if you want to add upload short, so just here upload short. So if you want to public or change the visibility, so just click on here and select here unlisted, private or schedule. So after selecting, so click on upload short. So you can see this video is uploading. So in this way you can upload any video on your YouTube channel by using YouTube Studio. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.